Stop using Midjourney. This free AI art generator is way better. Welcome back to AI Money Magnets, the place where you learn how to make money using AI. Recently, Midjourney has moved to a paid plan and is no longer free to the public. So you might be looking for a new artificial intelligence tool that can deliver similar results. Say no more. We've discovered an even better AI tool for art generation. Welcome to Leonardo.AI. And the best part is that you don't need a paid plan like Midjourney to use the images commercially. In this video, we're not only going to explore this groundbreaking tool, but we'll also reveal how to turn your AI-generated art into a steady stream of passive income. Ready to transform your creativity into cash? Let's dive in. The first thing we'll be looking at is how to access Leonardo.AI. Go to their website and click Get Early Access. Then you'll need to join their Discord channel. After that, head over to the room called Priority Early Access. Here, you'll need to follow the link to fill out a short form where you'll provide your Discord username and email to get an invitation to Leonardo.AI. The invitation should arrive within a day. But here's a trick. You don't have to wait for the invitation. Just go back to the Leonardo.AI website. In the top right corner, click Launch App, then click on Yes, I'm whitelisted. Now, all you have to do is to click Log into Leonardo.AI. Log in using the email you provided in the form, and that's it. Another thing you should note is that Leonardo.AI is a web app, so you don't even need a Discord account to access the tool. Similar to most text-to-image services out there, Leonardo.AI uses a basic token system. Once you sign up, you'll receive 150 tokens which reload after every 24 hours. Meaning that you can create 150 images a day, which is a lot, even if you want to start a business. One great thing with Leonardo.AI is that on the homepage, you can see the work of other users and even the prompt they used. But this feature is not available on Midjourney. Also, another cool feature of Leonardo.AI is that it allows you to remove the background of images with just a few clicks. After that, you can download the image as a PNG without the background. Now, let's get to the part you've been waiting for, which is image generation. To create your own image, simply click on AI Image Generation on the left panel. Here you'll see a field where you can write your prompt. Just below that, you can choose a model. This feature is mind-blowing. It's like the different versions of Midjourney, but here, you have more of them available. You can also click on Select Custom Model and check out the Community Model, which are models created by the users themselves. Next, you can add a negative prompt, meaning what shouldn't be in our image. At the bottom of the page, there are two tabs, one for image generation and the other for prompt generation. This feature is also not available on Midjourney. Now what this feature does is it allows you to come up with more complex prompt ideas from a simple prompt. On the left side of the page, you have the main settings. Here, you can choose the number of images you'll get from one prompt. To get the best results, you should select 4. This number is ideal, as you get enough options to choose from. A new feature that was introduced to Leonardo.AI just recently is the Prompt Magic V2 option. This feature is currently still in beta testing, but its purpose is to ensure better prompt adherence. Enabling it will allow you to adjust high contrast and prompt magic strength. Next, we have the image resolution settings. This allows you to define the size of your image. To get the best results, it is recommended that you use 1024 by 1024 pixels. After that, we have the guidance scale. In this tab, you can adjust how closely the image corresponds to the prompt, meaning that the lower the number you choose, the less likely your image will resemble your prompt. So, to get the best results, we recommend using number 7. Leonardo also gives you the option to upload your own images as prompts or simply use the text prompt option. Even if you're not good at prompting, the platform allows you to view the prompts other members used to generate their own images so that you have an idea of how to write your own prompts. And all of this is for free, but to get this kind of access on Midjourney, you need to pay $8 monthly. The next thing we'll be looking at is how to turn your AI-generated art from Leonardo.AI into a steady income stream. The first and easiest way to do this is to sell your AI art on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, or Adobe Stock. These websites allow you to upload your AI art and sell it to businesses and individuals who need high-quality images for their websites, marketing materials, and other projects. To sell your AI art on stock photo websites, you'll first need to create an account and upload your art. When you upload your art, you'll need to provide a title, description, and keywords. After that, you can now set a price for your art. Once your art has been uploaded, it will be reviewed by the stock photo websites team. If your art is approved, it will be made available for purchase. When someone purchases your art, you'll earn a commission. The second way to make money with your AI images is by printing and selling them on other materials. For the second method, we are going to make use of two platforms. One is a print-on-demand service called Printify, and the other is a popular marketplace called Etsy. These platforms will help you sell your AI-generated art on different products like cups, bags, caps, and much more. To set this up, all you need to do is to 1. Create an account on Printify. Go to the Printify website and click on the Create an Account button. Enter your email address and password, and then click on the Create Account button. 2. Link your Etsy shop with Printify. After setting up an account, the next step involves integrating your Etsy shop with Printify. Begin by navigating to the My Stores section on your Printify dashboard, then locate and select the Connect Store button. You'll be prompted to provide your Etsy shop's name and password, after which you should press the Connect Store button once more. 3. Choose the products you want to sell. With your Etsy shop now linked to Printify, it's time to decide on the items you wish to retail. Begin by visiting the Products section within your Printify account, where you'll find a comprehensive catalog. You have the flexibility to sort these products based on categories, price range, and other specific parameters. 4. Upload your AI art to Printify. After finalizing your product selection, the next step is to move your AI art to Printify. This can be done by heading to the Upload section of your Printify account and selecting the Upload Artwork button. Choose the specific AI art file you'd like to transfer, and then hit the Upload button to complete the process. 5. Customize your product listing details. Once your AI art has successfully been transferred, you're able to modify your product listings. Access the Listings section within your Printify account and locate the Edit Listing button associated with the product you wish to alter. This allows you to adjust elements such as the product title, description, price, and various other settings. 6. Determine your pricing. The flexibility to establish your own pricing for your products is available. This can be achieved by visiting the Pricing section within your Printify account and selecting the Edit Pricing button corresponding to the product whose price you'd like to adjust. Here, you can set the base price, shipping cost, and modify other related settings. 7. Make your products available for purchase. After completing the customization of your product listings and determining your pricing, it's time to make your products accessible to customers. This can be done by navigating to the Products section within your Printify account and selecting the Publish button for the product you're ready to introduce to the market. Following the publication of your products, they will be ready for purchase on Etsy. In the event of a product order, Printify will take charge of printing the item and ensuring its delivery to the customer. Consequently, you will receive a commission for each successful sale. An alternative approach to monetizing AI-generated art is through the creation and sale of your own non-fungible tokens, NFTs. This strategy is particularly suited for individuals with some degree of familiarity with cryptocurrencies, though it's also worth exploring even for those without such experience. The first step involves utilizing Leonardo.AI to produce your art image. Subsequently, seek out a trustworthy NFT marketplace such as OpenSea or Binance NFT to exhibit and sell your artwork. Once you've located a suitable marketplace, upload your artwork and anticipate its purchase by a buyer. For optimal results from NFT sales, it's beneficial to maintain a considerable collection of artworks, as a larger portfolio tends to appeal more to potential buyers. And that concludes our video for today. We sincerely hope you found the content enlightening and gained new insights. Should you have any queries or thoughts, don't hesitate to voice them in the comment section beneath. Remember to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications by clicking the bell icon if you haven't done so yet, ensuring you stay updated with our informative content. We appreciate your time and wish you all the best.